Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks to make something like this or like this. This is the spiral tool that probably most people know is there, but this is something different, pretty unusual. The difference is I've got two ends. On the spiral tool, you just have one end right there and it's just a spiral. So a spiral tool is underneath your polygon tool, and you can hit spiral and you tell it how many revolutions you want. And if you hold down the control button, you can do that. You can actually go the other way by clicking the other way, and you'll have the spiral go the other way. But this is pretty cool to do it this way. Let's just delete that. Let's take a 2-point line. And for those of you that have ever tried to do this by hand, it's pretty almost impossible. But then get your distort tool. Your distort tool is underneath your drop shadow tool. And pick right here. I've always played with the zipper and everything, but this is the twister effect. You can go either direction, and then you can start watching this grow. There's 1 revolution, 2, 3, 4. I think it'll only go up to 9. But that's pretty cool. You've got both ends of the line twisted. So you've got 2 starting places. It's not going to be that big of a deal, but if you had to do something with this, let's just play around with it. If you started I think it's going to fill it all in if we take a 2-point line and go from there to there. And you need to make sure you get on the node. I'm actually going to go past it to make sure you go from the node to the node. And then if we take the Smart Fill tool, see, it stopped it there, but it's not going to stop it there. And it just changes, to me, what you could do with this. Let's take away those 2 lines, and I don't know. It's just personal preference. The end is in the center and on the edge. This is the 2 ends are on the outside, and the center is a little bit funky, but the other spirals are pretty incredible. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.